some sort of protection from wasting seed at night when he's sharing the same bedroom with his wife, even during the times they're not supposed to be intimate? Because I kind of heard this somewhere, but I just wanted to know.
No, it's actually forbidden to sleep in one bed. So if in this period
no,
of
bedroom, I said a bedroom.
bedroom. No, okay,
Yes.
okay. Usually there's no problem whatsoever, and it's actually proper. So I would say just say it is proper to sleep in one bedroom, because the wife goes, the poor woman, that she goes through all of the suffering. So some women, it's a lot of suffering. The man would not survive 3.5 hours in this suffering that she goes for 3 or 4 or 5 days. So and now even he goes goes to a different room, this and that. So for her it would be too much to handle. When at least they cannot sleep in one bed, but they're in different rooms. So that helps her a lot. So it's not proper to separate. And usually, if man watches his eyes, nothing is going to happen usually. But if he does not provoke, because why? Because Eitzar Hara is not strong, so she's not allowed today. But in 3 days from now, 7 days from now, they can be together. There is no problem whatsoever. So usually, it does not happen unless he was watching something before. Of course, you try to arrive at the bed different times, so not to look at each other. But that's the thing. Yeah, you of course you have to take all of the precautions necessary.